Let me show you how to make this amazing banana bread using ripe bananas. Okay, let's get into it. Feel free to pause the video and take the list of this ingredient on the side right here. Alright, step number 1 is obviously greasing our pan. Make sure to grease that pan generously so that it's coated everywhere. It'll be important for the end of the video when we extract our banana bread. Alright, let's combine our egg, milk, and oil in our mixer. Did you know that riper the banana, the sweeter and more flavorful your bread will be? That's why overripe bananas are the perfect for this recipe. Let's add in our peeled ripe banana in the mixer so we can get our dough going. By the way, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so for future recipes. Okay, next we're going to be adding our flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda and combine it until it's thoroughly mixed. Now we are ready to add our walnuts. By the way, we don't add our walnuts in the mixer because we don't want it to break and crush. We want those chunky walnuts to be incorporated in there. So you are going to add it later on and mix it gently so that way it's all incorporated without breaking apart. Now let's take our butter-lined pan and put our batter in it and shake it so that way it's evenly distributed before we bake it in the oven. Warm up your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, grab a handful of walnut and sprinkle it on top of your bread so that way we have extra layer of crunch. Now grab that and put it in your oven for 60 minutes until it's ready. Look at that golden brown crust. But there's a way to test whether our bread is ready or not, and that is to do a poke test. So how do we do a poke test? We grab a knife, we dip it in our bread, and when the knife comes out clean like this, you know that the bread is ready. Now that we've confirmed the bread is ready, let's core the pan so that way we can extract our bread without having it stick to the bread pan. There we go. Here it is. Okay, let's flip it and give it a cut to see how nice it is on the inside. Alright, let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed watching this recipe and if you've tried it for yourself. Anyways, as I'm slicing this bread, look at the steam coming off of it.
Okay, bye.